What's up, y'all? So today I'm going to be doing all three of my children's hair. We are starting off with Mr. And right now I'm just taking his hair down and detangling it. He has the longest hair in the house, y'all. It is so beautiful. I just couldn't imagine cutting his hair, so we always kept it. And he just thought this hand thing was funny. I didn't know what he was doing, but I was just like, okay, you're just gonna do you, whatever. He was telling me that he wanted an afro, but that was a no-go because your hair needs to be done, and when that afro get tangled, you gonna want somebody to come out, and it ain't gonna be me. So I basically just did some braids on Mr. Hair. He is so handsome, y'all, and he just had a birthday. If y'all did not see that video, we just uploaded. Please go watch it, like it, comment. My boy just made the Big 10. And y'all, we share the same birthday. It just amazes me. And I was telling him about me swimming because me and him both were trying to jump in a pool on our birthday, and we both were scared, y'all. But I was telling him, like, I just did it because, like, I had to. You was crying, and I just had to do it. This is Mister's hair. And I'm gonna put his scarf on tonight. Okay. I couldn't find a scarf right now. Okay, press that. Do you like your hair? Wait, do you like your hair?
Yes.
Okay, turn on. Okay, y'all, so now it is Fat Daddy turn. And he is really good with letting me do his hair. He is the only person who has ever came to me and bought a chair so I can do his hair. He just kept wanting hugs here. And he always rolling around on the floor getting stuff in his hair, y'all. But I detangled his hair, and I really wanted to do some puff balls, but his hair is real soft, so it don't look right. So basically, I just did 4 twists on his hair, and I got my boy right with some beads. And he love the beads, y'all. He don't play about them beads, even though he take them out every chance that he gets. What? Which the beads didn't last at all. 3, 4, 5. So y'all, this is his hair. Look, Fat Daddy. Look. This is his hair without beads. And of course it shrinks up. Look at him, y'all, asking for these beads. Okay. He don't play about them beads. When he see them, he won't. Hopefully he keep these on. Yeah, and they all have some beautiful long hair, and I just can never imagine me cutting their hair at all. That's all of my children, so the whole family has hair. Me. Say I. Cheese. I love you. And my baby shirt was wet because he was chewing on me. Just ignore it. Just act like you don't see. He watching a movie right now. Stop. And as y'all can see, he is very much still a 2-year-old. He does not listen to nobody except for his daddy because that's his best friend. What's up? Alright. Y'all, he be watching these movies and he be trying to try these moves on me like I'm not the one or the two, sir. Please just get your hair done and get up out my chair, dog. But he don't really wear scarves. He'll do it if he see everybody else. Abigail! Come here. I dropped a bead over here. Do you see it? Okay. And y'all, my kids love the camera.
Thank you.
They love making YouTube videos and being in the camera. Cause she ain't had no reason to be in that camera, but baby, she was gonna make sure she got in the camera.
Stop moving. Okay.
And I'm gonna be real with y'all. Like, he looked it so handsome. He very much is handsome. But this hairstyle did not last all day. He took those beads out and did whatever he did. Rolled around in the bed, on the floor, whatever.
Oh, big Debbie. Say cheese. Say what? You like it? Do you like it? Yes or no?
He liked it, y'all. He definitely did not want to get up out my chair. I had to call for reinforcements and call Mister to come and get him out of my chair so I can start on Abigail's hair.
Yeah, and he kept laughing because this is rosemary and clove water. And it's cold. So he was laughing because it's cold. He want me wait for me to spray. Okay. You're done, sir. Thank you. Good job. High five. High five. High five. Okay, it's Abigail's turn. Can I do your sister hair? Oh. Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress. Shake your lock, shake your lock, shake your lock, shake your lock. You like it? Yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. You hit your face, ain't she? Okay. Shake your life, shake your life, shake your life, shake your life. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Be careful.
And as you can see, Big Brother is definitely gonna come in with the save and get him because, sir, get up out my chair. Your hair is done. Y'all look at my hair. Come on now. My hair still look like this, y'all, to this day.
Come on, Abigail.
Okay, y'all. So now we are starting on Homegirl, aka best friend, aka my sister, aka Keisha hair, and her hair take not too long to detangle. She complains the whole entire time. Her hair takes the longest to do because, of course, she's a girl and we have to style it completely different with beads. Yeah, she the one who give me problems with her hair. Nobody else does. It's always her. 9 times out of 10, 10 times out of 10, it's gonna be her. But that's my best friend, y'all. And she got some beautiful hair. She's very gorgeous. And y'all, she is very much a YouTube girly. They saying now that they want their own channel. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see on their channel. But she's very much a YouTube girly. I believe she's going to be a YouTuber when she grows up or some type of content creator. No lie, y'all. Y'all let me know if I'm the only one. The whole time she will complain. And I feel like that's also what takes like the longest because she will complain the whole time and she will fake cry. Your girl is definitely an actress. Like, that's probably she gonna be somewhere on TV. I know that much. She definitely can act, y'all. And these are the beats that we chose for her. And I say we, I mean me and her. That me and her chose. And watch my girl get fly. And let me just say this, y'all. When that camera is pulled out, baby, when a setup is set up with the ring light and everything, baby, she will not cry. So now I'm thinking like, okay, maybe I need to just go ahead and set up everything just to do her hair. Because y'all, she be faking. I am so serious. I have to go buy my baby some more beads. I gave my niece some of her beads when I did her hair. Y'all, and why my sister told me that she threw the beads away. What are you throwing the beads away for? Like, you at least could have gave them beads back, y'all. And they were so pretty. Pink and clear. And Abigail need like a whole bunch of clear beads because I put so many in my niece's hair. Y'all, I really could not believe that she threw my beads away. Like, who does that? And then had the nerve to ask me to borrow some beads. Girl, I gave you some beads and you threw them away. Why would I give you some more beads? That's crazy. Yeah, and I ended up putting some knockers in her hair that I eventually had to take out later on because they stretched out in her hair, I guess, because they are old. Like, I bought those a long time ago. I just didn't use them. And they were leaving like rubber residue in her hair, so I just got to buy her some more of those and some bows. 4 + 4 is what? 8. Your girl definitely ate that style up as she always does.
Can I do a little spin? Oh my
A spin. Y'all, when I tell y'all she is extra, baby, and I try my hardest to let her do her because I feel like my mama stopped me from doing a lot of stuff as a kid, and I just let her be her.
Do you like? Come here.
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yes. I really want a bow on it, but I know you say no.
Because you broke all your bows, you don't have no orange.
When I tell y'all I broke all her bows, I mean the sparkly ones to the plain ones. Baby, she broke every last bow. I gotta go cook.
Y'all look at my hair. It's a mess. You got one pink bow. You got 2 ponytails.
I don't care. I only
It's
want
not
one.
gonna look right. Where am I gonna put it at, Abigail? Where am I gonna put it? Ooh, the bow would be cheaper. I gotta go buy you some bows.
The only part with no beads in it is right here.
Girl, gone on. And then look, broke. Just broke.
Why?
Now, and I have to do Fat Daddy beads because he took them out.
Y'all, and
Cow.
excuse that loud
Fat
noise in the
Daddy.
background. That is my husband watching basketball stuff on YouTube. And yes, he has to watch it that loud. And y'all, she has to show him her hat every time it's done, baby.
Oh, girl. You look celebrity.
Come here, Fat Daddy. You like them? Hey.
Come on, Fat Daddy.
Nah, I need to put these leaves back on his hair. He took them out. You better leave this hair alone. Leave your hair alone. Ah! Don't touch it. Hold on, wait. Stop. You stop. What? Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe.